So I asked some friends from Facebook if they would like to share with me their e-commerce store, and I could take a look and maybe give them a few tips, ideas how to improve their store further so they can get more sales and make more money. And one of them, his name is Richard. He owns a one product store. And if you're interested to learn how I would improve a one product store, just keep watching. So let's look at his website and see what we can improve on. So here's the website, proactiveessentialsph.com, and the product is an organic engine oil treatment formula, the brand Wonder Lube. Okay, so since this is a one product store, we'll just look at the product page. There's no need to look at the category and the home pages anyway. I assume the customer journey is when they see the ad, they would click the link, get to here. So let's just improve this page first, okay? So looking at the images, I saw that the images that you have here are not the same, like inaccurate. This 1 liter product here and this 1 liter products here, they're not the same. I'm not sure which one's real, but you might want to fix this. And also, if you have images where it's used in real life, like in a motorcycle, car, like anything that would tell the customer where they can use it, it's good to show it here because they look at the images. Yeah. And if they have a motorcycle, they would see, alright, I can use it for that. So show real life photos being used. Okay. Now in terms of your copy, one thing I noticed here is there's no headlines. And you need like a huge block of text so people can skim your content. Right now, most people won't read it, like sentence by sentence. What you can do here is add a big headline here, like say goodbye to black smoke and overheating. And you don't need to be very specific that it's for an engine because the ad would tell them that. Just tell them there's no more black smoke and overheating, since that's what I see here. Right? So just give some headlines here, make it easy for people to skim it. Alright, so you have some good benefits. Good. Now this image, look here. I'm looking at it from a mobile view perspective because 80% of the web visitors is from mobile. Now this image, you can't actually read it if you're viewing it from your mobile device. So you might want to change your images to suit mobile phones better. Okay, certifications, that's good. Okay, suggested ratio. No, this is more like when they actually have it and you want to give them how to use. Like if you have a huge section here, like how to use, that would be helpful because now people will know, alright, I'm going to read this part because I don't know what it is for. Now for this part, if you already have it, how to use it. Okay, so you have photos here being used. That's great. Ideally you would have that on the top because not everyone will scroll down, right? Okay, some protection, like how we know if it's fake. Right. I'm not familiar if this is a very popular brand, but if it is, that's good that you tell them that. Okay, oh, you have reviews here from Facebook, that's good. Okay, so you have like the pain point, you have the how to use, you have the reviews, and you have the videos here. Now I'm just gonna suggest something here in the description. Okay, you can add GIFs instead of, well, you can still have the video, but not everyone plays the video, right? But if you have a GIF here that auto plays, that's a good thing, so they can watch it. And another thing regarding this urgency timer, this is useful if you want people to buy your product on impulse, but it hurts your brand long term because people are getting smarter nowadays. They know it's fake. There's no sale that would end if the timer hits 0. So yeah, I'm not saying it's bad. You can use it, it can work, but if you do it long term, it's not good for your brand. Now since this is a one product store, I would suggest you add more products so that when you have people who bought from you before, they can buy again consistently. And you can do that without having to create an inventory, right? So what you can do is look for local suppliers like selling car cleaning products, like other engine maintenance or other car related products, and like ask them for like the cost of it and incorporate it in your pricing. And when someone buys from you, that's the time that you will buy from them and then ship it. And that's what we do because we don't always keep inventory of the products that we sell. We just know that once we have a buyer, we can buy stocks and then ship that. If they can drop ship, even better. But if not, like we'll buy it from them and then ship it. So that's one thing you can do so you can keep selling people on your store. And and you can build that into a brand. Because once people keep on buying from you, repeat purchase, that's when you know you have good business. So yeah, that's it, Richard, for your website, and I hope you find my suggestions useful. And if you're not Richard, I hope you found my suggestions useful in terms of applying it on your own e-commerce store or your client's e-commerce store. Or if you're just having fun, like I hope that's kind of fun to watch for you. Alright? So thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye. Oh, if you want me to take a look at your website, just send me an email or like comment down below. I'd be happy to look at it. Alright? Bye bye.